Hey guys, so my name is Sam Gaskins. I started here last year as the sixth grade assistant teacher, and then I became the long term sub. Miss Martin went on maternity leave, and then I was her assistant for a while, and then I became the lead sixth grade teacher for math, and then the lead seventh grade teacher for math towards the end of the year, that last quarter. So I had a lot of moving parts last year, but this year I'm just going to be stationary, hopefully in this classroom, teaching math and history. So y'all are in my math class, so you'll also be in my civics class later in the day. So you can probably, if you watch this video first, you can probably skip forward a little bit to skip all this part where I talk about myself, because you don't need to hear it twice. So a little bit about myself. I graduated from Seacoast in 2014. I went here kindergarten through 12th grade. So I had Dr. Brooke as my principal. I had Miss Barton as my art teacher. So we've been here for quite a while. I went to JU, graduated from there in December of 17, and now everything's led to here. So the way the class is going to work, we have our Glencoe textbooks. We don't have the same thing as last year, where it was the packets handout. We actually have a physical textbook, which is going to be super nice because I know everyone lost their packets last year. So we have a physical textbook. It's write-in, disposable. You're not going to have to return it at the end of the year. It's completely consumable. I've looked at it. I love it. We used it the year before last, and Miss Martin really liked it, so we agreed to use that for 7th and 8th grade this year. As far as things you need for the class, you really don't need much. I would say a binder, and that's for two reasons. One is to hold paper, like scratch paper to write on, because you're going to need scratch paper to do the problems on. It's just math class. And to hold papers that I hand back. And that's going to be mostly quizzes and tests, stuff you're going to want to hold on to. But the only you have to have a binder, but the absolute must have, because it's math class, is a pencil. And I don't know why this confuses everyone, because we are not perfect people. There was only one perfect guy, and he lived a long time ago, and you're not him. So we're going to make mistakes in math class, and that's how we're going to learn. So I can't have everyone coming in writing in pen, because then they're going to make mistakes and it's going to scratch out and it's going to look a total mess. So pencils a must write in a pencil. I'll try to have extras to loan you, but I'll have to, I don't know, write your name up on the board or something so I don't forget. So I've had to send out, a hitman after you for my pencil. As far as the grades go, everything is kind of heavy weighted on homework, classwork. I lump those two together because if we do something in class, I don't like to give homework a lot usually because I'm not there to help you. So I give classwork, and then if you don't finish the classwork, it becomes homework. So that's lumped together, classwork, homework. That's 40% of the grade. The next biggest portion would be tests, which are 30% of the grade. There should be a couple of those a quarter. And then quizzes is 20%, and if you're doing the math, it's 90%. So I have 10% left over. 10% is going to be, I'm going to call it warm-up. It's going to be if there was some sort of participation assignment, like a bell ringer or something of that sort, an exit ticket, something like that. I would put in. It's just to check your progress. It's not actually for a grade. As long as you're there and you do it, you're going to get the credit for that. So it's just a little 10% boost, just as a buffer for people who may be struggling between letter grades. So that's basically it. We're going to be learning a lot of interesting stuff. It's going to be a little bit setting up for 8th grade, which is pre-algebra, and some other interesting stuff in there, which should be fun. I know math is fun, but I think it's going to be fun. But I'm kind of weird anyway. Um, so I think that's it. I've had, I think, all of you. I looked at RenWeb. Had all of you, so you should know me, and uh, hopefully we have a good school year. I'm excited to see everybody. So I'll see y'all on Monday.